I'm going to show you how to create adaptive wide angle images in the Photoshop app. First you have to open up the app. Here it opens up like this. From here we just go into the top row, click on filter. Then here we click on adaptive wide angle. And here we just draw a line through the image. As you can see, this is going to create a wide angle effect. And here we can increase the scale, decrease the scale. We can set the focal length as well. Like this. And here we can even turn this. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.